Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin with an update on a developing story. The Police Federation has just concluded the latest round of talks with the Ministry of Finance as it seeks to hammer out a wage deal for its members.
They have just exited the meeting, and our reporter Kirk Wright is there to bring the very latest on these talks. Kirk?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We're here at the Ministry of Finance with members of the Police Federation. It has been a second day of intense negotiations, and I can tell you by the look on their faces, they have no good news to tell us. We have with us again members along with the chairman of the Police Federation. Madam Chairman, again, no smiles on the faces. What took place in the meeting today?
What took place in the meeting today was the usual rhetoric of maintaining the position within the fiscal space and not thinking about the rank and file and what they really need, which is a livable wage. We believe that the government of Jamaica, they see the labor of all rank and file as just a minuscule service to this country.
So tell me, you weren't able to come to any agreement in any of the points today?
There is no agreement. There is no agreement. But what has happened is that we intend to meet on Monday at 3:30 to look at figures and see how best we can move forward in this process. The Central Committee of the Police Federation, we will work 24 hours just to ensure that the men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, that 97%, they are well taken care of through a proper and fully established remuneration process.
Should we understand that, the fact that you're meeting again, you see some light at the end of the tunnel?
Well, we are very open-minded, and we are hoping that good sense will prevail in the process.
So come Monday, you're expecting that something good will happen?
Well, come Monday, as I said before, we have to remain open-minded because we cannot say that we believe that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Last year, at this time, we believed that there was a light at the end of the tunnel, and we were mocked and tricked throughout that process, and we will not allow that to happen again.
And if on Monday you are still at a stalemate, what happens then?
Well, the strategy has been already conceptualized by the team and myself, and definitely we will verbalize that as best as possible to the rank and file members and the public.
No insight?
No, not at this time to share.
Thank you very much, and your team. There you go. So Monday we'll wait another meeting with the Ministry of Finance and members of the Police Federation. Studio?
Thank you very much, Kirk Wright.